Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about Rule 14, which is head-on situation. Okay, let's start with the first paragraph. A. When two power-driven vessels are meeting on reciprocal or nearly reciprocal courses so as to involve risk of collision, each shall alter her course to starboard so that each shall pass on the port side of the other. Two power-driven vessels, this means vessel propelled by their machinery. So Rule 14 does not apply to sailing vessels. Sailing vessels have their own steering rules under Rule 12. When they're meeting on reciprocal or nearly reciprocal courses. So this is 180 degrees opposite to the other boat. Another important point is this rule only applies if there is a risk of collision. So two vessels heading towards each other but they're not going hit each other. Rule 14 does not apply. So let us watch this example.
Here's an example then. The yellow vessel and the maroon vessel are both heading towards each other on reciprocal courses and there is a risk of collision. Therefore, they should make a bold and early turn to starboard and pass port to port.
B. Such a situation shall be deemed to exist when a vessel sees the other ahead or nearby ahead, and by night she would see the masthead lights of the other in a line or nearly in a line, and or both side lights, and by day she observes the corresponding aspect of the other vessel. So let's watch this example.
Here we can see we're definitely head on to that vessel because we can see both masthead lights facing us and the port and starboard light. As the vessel turns then, the port light is starting to become obscured and the two masthead lights are opening up. Once the vessel completes her turn, we can then see two masthead lights and a starboard light only. We can no longer see the port light.
Last but not the least, C. When a vessel is in any doubt as to whether such a situation exists, she shall assume that it does exist and act accordingly. So just the same as the other steering rules in section 2. If there's any doubt anything there may be a risk of collision, you should act as a give-way vessel and avoid a collision at all costs. And that brings us to the end of Rule 14.